Hey guys, and good morning. Welcome to another video. Yay! So I told myself this week I would try to do a video a week. So I've set myself the goal to make and upload at least one video a day. So we're just gonna see how that goes. I'm kind of excited. I really want to push my YouTube channel. I know I say it literally in every single video, but I'm actually going to try and do it this week. So there is lots to do as usual, because as usual I am behind. I don't know guys, it's just how I am. Like, I am one of those people that kind of will work, like produce so much work within such a short space of time, and then it's like after it feels like I'm like burnt out for the rest of the year. Like, it just feels like I'm so tired, and then I really struggle to get back into that like work mindset. I don't really know what to do about that. Like, if you guys have any tips for like how to stay, I don't want to say motivated, because I think to an extent I am motivated. It's just once I get out of that work mindset, I find it so hard to like get back into it. It's so bad. Like, there are so many distractions in my house. Like, last year for my birthday I got a Steam Deck, which I am obsessed with, and I've recently been playing Coral Island. So I actually bought Coral Island when it first came out, and I played it like a couple of times, and I just didn't really think much of it. And like, I love Stardew Valley, and I know that they're very similar, but I just didn't like, it just didn't grab me. So I just kind of played it a couple of times, and then I didn't pick it up again. And then recently I was like, oh, I really want to play something, like I'm looking for something to play. And then I like started playing it, and I am hooked. Like, it's awful, like I'm completely hooked. So every day when I'm like, oh, I need to do my work, I'm playing this game and I need to stop. And then if I'm not playing my game, I'm reading a book. Like, I don't even think I've told you guys on here, but I am 100% a fantasy romance fanatic. Fantasy romance, dark romance, sci-fi romance. I'm on it. I'm always on it. So I have too many distractions: the reading, the gaming, and I just need to focus. So this week is going to be all about focus. We're going to plan the week. I'm going to attempt to plan the week in my diary, and then I'm going to just start. Like, I just need to just start. I think I need to start with packing overdue orders. The problem is, like, once my orders build up, it's so annoying because the shipping just feels really expensive, and then I'm like, no, I should have done it all like at the time, but my life is just chaos. But it's fine, we're gonna sort it out. Today is about sorting it out, so let's get started. Okay guys, so in order to sort out my life, I first need to sort out the space. So everything is a mess. So I'm just gonna actually organize a few things in this room, because I don't know about you guys, but when I'm actually in that work mindset, everything is a mess. So I'm like, it's just like I just rip stuff out. I'm just like octopus arms. Like, so my first order of business is to sort everything out. Yeah, and just, I guess, let's just like have a chat and catch up. That is my cat. So what have I been up to? So to be honest guys, I've been doing like a lot of really random stuff. I haven't been doing as much art. I feel like, guys, we're gonna have a one-to-one. Like, I haven't been doing as much art, which is a bit annoying. Like, I want to be doing art, but like, I don't want to say that I've like fallen out. Oh my god. I don't want to say that I've fallen out of love with art, because art is always going to be my main passion, and like the thing that I love the most, and the thing that I want to do. But also I feel like I have fallen out of love with it a bit. I think when anything becomes your job, you definitely do start to see it a bit differently than you did before. And also, I'm definitely one of those artists that really need to feel inspired in order to actually work. Like, I'm not one of those people that can like just turn it on. Like, I can't just turn on like the vibes. I can't just switch it on. Like, there are some people that are so good at just Like, they know they need to do it, so they can just do it. And I think that's one of the reasons why I struggle so much with commissions, is because obviously there's like a deadline or people are waiting. But if I'm just feeling really uninspired, like, guys, I can't, like, like, I literally just can't turn it on, and it's so frustrating. Like, I have got a couple of commissions that are now, I would say, overdue, and I really do need to crack on and get them finished, but I'm feeling so uninspired and I hate it, and I want all of my work to be my best work. So I'm always like, if I just can't do it, I don't want to like force it and make stuff that I don't like, and then I want the commissioner to like it, and if I don't like it, I feel like they're not gonna like it, and then it just messes me up. So I'm definitely like in this weird place at the moment where I just need to find my inspiration again, or my love for the craft. But I'm wondering if it's just because I've been like really busy, like really overwhelmed. Like, obviously, like when something you love becomes your like financial, like you have to earn money in order to pay bills, and I feel like that kind of definitely messes up the creative aspect of it for me. I don't know if you guys know what I mean, but I just feel like it's the pressure of knowing that you need to do it because you need the money to make bills, and then instantly there's like this pressure that you didn't have before when you were just doing it because you liked it. And I think that like has really affected my work and just the level of enjoyment I've been getting out of it. So I have been exploring some other things. So I've been doing a little bit of like extras work, which I've been loving, like shooting some adverts and stuff like that, and I've really been enjoying that. And then I did also go back to my like waitressing thing like a couple of times a week. Well, it's supposed to only be once a week, but they do sometimes call me to come in like a couple of extra days. And again, I love doing that because I like getting to like speak to people outside of the house as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, I just need to find my mojo, and like I don't know how to do that. Guys, help. How do I find my art mojo again? I don't know where it's gone. I feel like it's just gone. But then also I feel like the algorithm doesn't help. Like, I know that you guys are probably sick of me talking about this algorithm, but I feel like the algorithm and like the fact that I can't friggin' like it's, oh my god, I forgot how to talk. But I feel like the fact that I know that not as many people are seeing my art as before, it kind of bugs me. Like, and I know that I shouldn't create art. Mom, stop. I know I shouldn't create art just for others. I should be creating it because I love it. But I really just want people to be able to see it as well, you know? Like, I just want... Mom, stop. That's my cat, by the way. I just want people to be able to see it and enjoy it, and I find it frustrating that they're not able to. I'm just like, ah. So there's that as well. But you know what? It's just life, isn't it? Like, sometimes things feel a bit like difficult or annoying, and you just have to push through and like work with it. So that's what I'm doing. So let's get all this organized. I feel like if I get my space organized, I can focus a bit better. Right, I have got a lot of things that I need to send off, so let's do that. Hey guys, so that is actually going to be the end of today's, this is so shaky. That is going to be the end of today's video. I hope you enjoyed like having a little snippet into my day and just some random stuff, and hopefully I'll be back tomorrow. I'm on the consistency train, so let's see what I can do. Before I go, I just want to show you guys, so you know I said earlier about my obsession with like romance. I have to just quickly show you the series I'm currently reading, and it's a series by Ursa Dax. If you haven't already read her books, she has this series, like a cowboy alien series, and I'm obsessed. It's just so fun. Like, warning, it is a bit spicy, but it's just so fun. Like, the stories are so good. It's kind of like an alien like colony, like planet, where like they're criminals, but they're kind of not criminals. But when you read the stories, you'll see why they're called criminals. But it's the best. Like, it's literally the best. Like, if you just want like a carefree, fun series, and you like aliens, you like romance, and you just like a bit of spice and just fun, you're gonna absolutely love this. This is the first one in this series, and it's called Married to the Alien Cowboy by Ursa Dax, and that is the cover. So guys, if you're looking for your next read, go read it. Anyway guys, I hope you have a lovely day, and I shall see you in my next video, which will hopefully be tomorrow. Bye.